Right, up next is take these headlights back out, crack them open, and get them ready for the halos. Stay tuned. So good old trusty Amazon delivered these today. I already tested them out. They were all working, so brought these in because it's pretty cold outside, sub 40. Yeah, so now you'll see me put these together. So stay tuned for the time lapse. There you have them. I went ahead and, in addition to gluing, I put some sealing tape and gaffing tape around them as well. Give them more of a cleaner look, as you can see. And everything, it's kind of late already, so tomorrow I'll... Ready, and there you have it. So I went ahead and tapped into the marker lights, and so they're connected to the light switch. They do take a little while to charge up, so they've gotten brighter with a little bit of time. But yeah, those are definitely a must on a BMW. Let's see if they hold up. Again, this is a little $18 kit from Amazon, and can't really beat that, you know. Anyway, feel free to comment. Happy motoring.